Good morning, everybody. How are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have a brand new box to my channel, and it's actually only about 6 or 8 months old, the box itself. So it is called a short story. It is for us petite gals. I am only 5 foot on a good day, and as I age, that's probably going to go down to more like 4 something, which makes me a little bit nervous. But it is the reason that I wanted to try this box, because it is for the shorties like me. I learned about this box from Kayla with Kayla's Closet. So she is a sweet friend of mine, and I will post her iCard up here. If you do not know who she is, I hope you'll go and check out her videos. Alright, so I'm a little bit nervous about opening this box just because it's brand new and you never know what to expect. You know it's not going to be perfect because they don't know anything about you, but still, you know, it's just something new, which is exciting as well. It is a $25 styling fee, and you do not get a discount if you buy so many items, which is kind of a bummer, but from what I understand, at the same time, their prices are really good. So we'll get in here and we'll see. Okay, so it took me forever to get the packaging and all the tape off this box. I do want to mention just really quick that it took a very long time for me to get this first box, but I'm thinking about a month and a half. So anyways, hopefully it's worth it. If they have stuff that fits a shorty like me, I'm only 5 foot, if I didn't already say that. And so that'll be nice. There went my paperwork on the floor. Okay, the first thing in here is this little piece of paper right here. It says, "Hello Miranda, welcome to Short Story. How it works, try everything on. You have 3 days. Need an extension, just email us. Make your selections, pack any items up you want in, drop the this thing, you just pop it back on the box, I guess, and put it in the mail. And then if I like everything and I want to keep it, then I'm all set. I don't have to do anything extra." And then in here, I don't want to look, it shows what's in there. I am going to do this box like I did my Wantable. As I talk about the items as I'm unboxing them, I am going to just post pictures up here of what they look like in the try-on. You guys seemed to really like that. I did that in my Wantable box, so hopefully it turns out okay again this time. If you want me to go back to doing the actual live try-on, then just say that in the comments and I'll do whichever you guys like. It doesn't matter to me. Say hello, cutie. This is Tennessee Whiskey. He's 4.5 months old. I just got him from the shelter, and he is a spoiled. So hopefully he'll just sit here with me and be good. Okay, so this is the inside of the box, and we're gonna see what the bundle looks like. Oh, I have 2 bundles, so let's pick up the first one. Look at that. So I have, looks like some denim maybe, some leopard print, some black. Perfect. I really don't remember what I put on my, my little initial things that I was looking for, so maybe it'll tell in the little card as we read through it. Okay, so the first top looks like this, and I'm trying to see, oh boy. It looks to be, sometimes with cold shoulders you can't tell, but I think it's sleeveless. And it gets very, very cold here in Nebraska. Very cold. So I don't know that I will be wearing much sleeveless in the winter. But anyways, here we go. This is the next item. Be good up there. This is the next item. It is a black pullover. It has that crisscross detail in the front. She sent it to me in an extra large petite. It's called Leona, maybe is the brand. I'm not really sure. Now, Kitty Cat, if you fall again, earlier he fell like in between the thing. And this one is by DR2, and it's a petite large. I forgot to say that. But the feel is really nice, and it kind of, you know, has like this crisscrossing detail at the bottom. So we'll see how that works out. The next item that I have are a pair of 16 Petite Democracy jeans. They say Ab Technology on them. They are stretchy. They have like this stretch waistband. When I filled this out, like I said, about a month and a half ago, I was in a 16. So these might actually, some of these items might be a little bit big. I have gone back on keto, and so I've dropped about 10 pounds. And but they do have good stretch to them, and they are a skinny jean, it looks to be, and they feel really nice. I love the color. They also are very soft. They're very soft for jeans. Okay, and then this is the next bundle that I have. It's packaged really nice. I love the touch of the when they wrap it in tissue paper. I just think that is a lovely touch for unboxing. Ooh. Whoa, Nelly. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so stinking soft. I love the colors. It's by Modena. Oh my goodness. And it is a blanket scarf. Look, I wish you guys could feel this. It is so soft. Oh my goodness. Look, it's got the tassels or fringe or whatever you call it. I want to sit here and feel it. I want to rub it all over my face, but I won't because I have makeup on. But this, I love the colors, and I love how soft this thing is. Wow. Okay, and then the very last thing in the box is this moto jacket. I saw Jill with What Jill Wears. She actually unboxed this, and she was saying how much weight it has, and it does have a lot of weight, but how soft it is. So it is by blank NYC. They sent it in an extra large. You can't tell today because I sit, you know, kind of low, but I'm pretty chesty. And so I have a hard times. A lot of times I need sometimes, even when I was at my lowest weight last summer, I needed a medium, but sometimes I needed a large because the chest area. But we'll see what I think of this. But it is extremely soft. I love the suede. It's got zipper here. It has a zipper here. And then the main zipper. It's got a zipper up here. It's got lots of zippers. How many pockets does this thing have? One. That's a working pocket. So 1, 2. That one is just a faux. So it has 2 main pockets, and then it has this faux pocket up here. Let's see if I can hold it up a little bit better for you guys. but it is really, really soft. Okay, so my first impressions so far, I'm really looking forward to trying it all on and seeing how it goes, and then I'll do the recap, which for you, I will have popped up all these pictures. So let me go see what I think, and then I can give you a recap. Okay, so I inserted a collage of pictures right there just so you guys could see what everything looked like from different angles. And I think I'm gonna call out an SOS call because I love everything in this box. There's not one thing that I hated, and that's a problem. Why is that a problem? Because I'm going on a trip to Seattle and I don't know if I can keep everything, but we're gonna see what the prices are, okay? Because I haven't peeked yet. We're gonna rip off the Band-Aid together. But first off, I do want to read it comes with a style note here. I'll just put it up here. I don't know if you guys can read it, but if you can pause it. It says, "Dear Miranda, greetings from San Francisco to Tilden. Welcome to the short story experience. This fall, we're seeing lots of earth tones and animal prints on the runway, so I wanted to incorporate some of these trends. I pulled a few cozy pieces to keep you warm in the Nebraska chill." Thank you for that. "The moto jacket is a staple piece that you can wear from fall to winter. Wrap the large fringe scarf around your neck and wear it as a shawl," which I showed in the pictures. "The animal print tank with its longer hem is perfect for pairing with leggings and brown boots. Alternatively, tuck it into a pair of jeans for extra polish. I'm excited to hear what you think and to learn your style. Here's to happy fitting XOXO, Catherine." Catherine, I love you. And you in Short Story or whoever is totally forgiven for taking 2 months to style my box because I really do think it was worth it. All right, so little bit of recap and we'll show you the prices of everything. I don't know why I'm saying we. The only person here is me and this little gem right here. Okay, so the leopard tank, we know leopard's hot right now. Everybody wants their leopard. How much is the leopard tank? The pleated wrap hem pleated tank is $28.68. I don't think you can read that, but anyways, that's a nice price. The next thing is the Petite ankle skinny jeans. I had been begging and begging for ankle skinny jeans that fit me. They did bunch up a little bit, but I am only 5 foot. Maybe even 4'11", but shh, don't tell anybody. I'm sticking with 5 foot. That is what I put on my driver's license, so that's what I'm sticking to. They are $58.43. I will say that, I don't know if you can see them, but these jeans that I have on right now, they are the Rockstar jeggings from Old Navy. They were $44, so $58, and I think Democracy is a good brand, so anyways, my favorite thing in the whole box is this moto jacket, and I feel kind of bad because I dogged on the one in my Wentable box. I did not like the fabric. It was very stiff, and I didn't like that it crossed, like the zipper was not straight. That bugged me. I really do think I'd probably wear it more open than zipped up all the way, but I really do like it, and I love that it's super soft. So how much is this thing? The Blank NYC Beige Extra Large is $98. $98. Help! I told you, SOS. I don't know what to do because, yeah, $98. I need to fan myself a little bit because I really want that. All right, the next item is this shawl / scarf. It's so soft. If you could just rub it on your body, it feels so good. And I have a lot of neutral colors in my living space, and so this would be even cute just like draped over the arm of my chair for something, you know, to cozy up to if I get a little chilly. This plaid print fringe scarf by Modena is $38.64. And then hang on a second. Okay, I'm paused now. This black wrap top, I tried to take plenty of pictures of this so that you could kind of see. I mean, it's a wrap. If I pulled it too much, I could see my bra, but I don't, it is stitched at the bottom, so it won't come undone or anything. Nobody will be able to see anything. But it is $38.42. When I first put it on, I was like, I don't know if I'm going to like this because of the fabric. It is a little bit itchier. Not itchy, but just, it's like this, I don't even want to say waffle material. Just, I don't know, a sweater material. Yes, play with the box, kitty cat. But anyways, I really liked the neckline. I haven't been wearing as much of the crisscross detail, that kind of thing, but I thought it was cute. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I will tell you the total price is $262.17. So I was expecting more like $350-ish. So, I mean, that's not as bad. I will tell you too that I love that in with the different styles, like the different items, they have like a little paragraph that tells you about the different items. So that's cool. You know, great box. I think it's a great price. Just maybe not if I was going on vacation. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this box. If you want to try it for yourself, I will leave the link down below so you can try it. And yeah, just let me know what you think. Did you like the way that I did today's video? I'm trying to find a way that it's not just like 30 minutes long, but you know, is a great video for you guys. So if you're brand new to my channel, which I have a bunch of you brand newbies from the Halloween collab, I welcome you to my channel. I do all kinds of unboxings and lifestyle videos like vlogs and decorating, so stick around. Hopefully there's something in there that you like. And of course, to all my tried and true subscribers that have been with me for a while, I love all of you to pieces, and thanks for your input. Bye.